Hello? Oh girl, I thought someone just walked into my house. Take me, bitch. Hey, it's Davian and welcome back to my channel. So, if you have noticed, I am in a completely different place and it does sound slightly echoey, but it will be much better soon. So this is going to be my studio place. This is my plain background now because I thought, why not? I thought it would just look so busy in the background of my other videos and I was like, I don't really want it to look as busy as it actually does. So I've set up this little area. The echoing is slightly annoying, but we'll sort that all out when we've got some more stuff in the background. So today I am going to do another review. But today I'm going to be reviewing the new product by Jeffree Star. He is a very controversial person, but you can't shame him on how amazing his makeup is. So I have got the PROOF Mascara. So today I am going to be reviewing this beautiful, kinky packaging of mascara. Probably the most provocative freaking mascara I've ever seen in my life. But you know what? It's not him if he doesn't do something crazy. If you want to see how this works and how good it is, just keep on watching. So if you notice, I have got actual makeup on this time. Well, I should really in every video, but I have a little bit of powder, but nothing like this. So I've got my eyes, I've got my mouth, but I've got a split lip, my lip split. And so I've just had to put gloss over the top because otherwise you're going to see, oh, you can see it there. It's just like a deep, it's disgusting. So I did half of my makeup. The only thing I forgot is mascara. So I am going to be using this PROOF Mascara today to see how good it is and see if it makes my lashes look beautiful. I wish I could say I could test it, but unfortunately it's social distancing measures and no one's gonna fucking touch me because I'm not gonna allow them to. So, as we start with the packaging. So this is the packaging for the PROOF Mascara. So it is very sexy looking packaging. I love the black and red. I love the fact that it has got Jeffree's eyes on the side and the things that it says it can do. Weatherproof, sweatproof, fuckproof, gag-proof, and cry-proof. I need that last one. Crying. The packaging is stunning. I can't wait until a couple of more shades come out because I'm going to definitely try them. Shall we open it? So this is the packaging and it opens up with a little flap. And there is the mascara! So this mascara is probably one of the most beautiful looking mascaras I've ever seen. It is all faux leather, as he said in his video. So let's take it out the packaging. And we'll talk about that in a minute. But this is all velvet. What is so beautiful. I think it just looks stunning. And the red, and as I said, red and black's beautiful. But packaging is another thing. The product is the main thing. This is the product. So this is the... So it does come with a little tassel. What is a very... Yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah, everything on here is leather. So as you can see, it is all leather bound on this one. It has got the name and the emblem of Jeffree Star Cosmetics on the back. It also does have the Jeffree Star Cosmetic logo at the bottom as well. It does come with your little tag on there telling you the colour and what it is as well. But as he said, you can take that off. You can also remove this whip part. If you're travelling with it, you don't want this clogging up a bit of space that can probably hold a lipstick or something. So that's good that that comes off. And I'm going to take it off for this because otherwise it's going to bug me. But I love this. I've never seen a mascara with a tassel. Like... So this is the mascara. I love the fact that it's all black. It feels nice. It feels very expensive. I think it was £22. I'll put it up here how much it was. I'm very happy with this. I've had it for like a week and I haven't actually tried it. I've opened it and I've looked at it, but I haven't tried it because I haven't done my makeup for ages. So I thought I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on. And I'm actually using the Blood Sugar palette as well, just because it's a Jeffree Star video. I need to have all my Jeffree Star. I've got my Jeffree Star highlighter on that you can't really see. I've got my Jeffree Star Sky High lip gloss on. And I'm using my Jeffree Star brushes. So it's a Jeffree Star video, darling. But anyway, let's get back into this. So, shall we open it? Ooh. Oh. Oh, I see what he means about the brush. So it's got little, like, hooks on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got little hooks on it. It's actually a really pretty looking brush. So as you can see, some of the actual brushes, hairs have hooks on. I think that's to like catch your lashes and pull them out. I love this, and he said it can be done in one coat. So we will see about that, Miss Jeffree. So let's have a look. Oh, you got my mirror. So I'm going to put it on this eye first, and then we'll compare it to without mascara. So I'll put it on this, see what it looks like, and then I'll finish my look off. So I'm going to start off with the top lashes, I think. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. Again, I keep looking at the screen. I really need to stop looking at the screen. I'm so sorry. But anyway, I'm going to be looking at this mirror just because otherwise I'm going to stab myself in the eye because I know what I'm like. So let's try with the top mascara. Shit, I put a mascara on. What is wrong with me? Let's go. Oh, wow. Oh, I like this mascara. This is one dip, and it's actually looking really sickening. I really like it. Oh, shit. I just bumped my eye. Why do I always do this to myself? Oh no, I really like this. I like how it separates your lashes. I hate it when they all are, like, joint together. It really bugs me. But I actually really like how it looks on my lashes. Let me just do my bottom ones. Fabulous. I love this mascara. Jeffree Star is a very controversial person, but I can't fault his makeup. I love this mascara. This is stunning. I don't know if you can see. Let me just zoom in. Let me just go forward. Oh my god, look at this mascara. So that's just one dip. I didn't dip again. This is just one dip. And it's just made my lashes look so beautiful. So this is it with, and this is it without. I love it. I think it's really pretty, and it doesn't feel like claggy on your eyelashes. It doesn't feel claggy on your eyelashes. It's like got a really nice feel to it, and it's not heavy, because some mascaras can be like, if they're lengthening mascaras and things, they can be really thick on your eyes, and it really does my head in. But this, I love it. Someone's just come home. Bear with. Hello! Yo, I love this mascara. It is so pretty. Doesn't clump them together, it really separates them. Oh my god, they actually look like false lashes. I'm amazed. So let me just do this side, and I will be right back with you with my final review. So I'm back, and I have done the mascara on both lashes. I love this mascara. I literally love this mascara. It looks so pretty. It just looks so natural. Love it. Well, I don't know how mascara can look natural. You know what I mean. It just looks really pretty. Jeffree Star, you have done good. No, I love it. I literally love it. This mascara is so beautiful. So, for my final thoughts with this, I love this mascara. I love the look of it. I love the packaging. He just thinks of every detail. And yes, I know so many people don't like him, but you know what? This is amazing. I love it. It's just amazing. Like, look at it on my eye. Oh my god, I'm looking at the screen just so I can see. I love it. Oh my god, yes. I need different colours of this. Can you imagine that in a blue? With my, blue blood, and then, he needs to do a blue. He needs to do a blue. But I love the packaging. Packaging is stunning. It feels expensive, and it's just probably one of the best mascaras I've actually ever had. 100% recommend this. I love this mascara. I have said before, I always forget to put mascara on, but this will make me remember now, especially this hanging out in my drawer. You will notice it, and you will know. I'm amazed. I'm really happy with this mascara. So that is a yes from me. I will be using it every single time. It literally looks incredible. I love it. I don't even know what to say. I actually love this mascara. It's only a freaking mascara, but I love it. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This channel is turning into quite a review channel. Every single video I seem to do is like a review. I need to change it up a little bit. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all next Wednesday. Don't forget to check out my social medias, all tagged in the description. Everything I've used on my face today will be listed in the description for you, so you can see what I've actually used on my face. If you want any other ideas or anything you want me to review, again, please leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will speak to you all next Wednesday. Bye.